You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name correctly. By the way, if you want to learn more biblical names from the Bible, many get wrong, stay tuned, I've got more videos for you. A river, also the name of an author, pronounced either the Hebrew pronunciation is as Kishon, as in Kishon River, as in English it's usually pronounced as Kishon as well. So the two pronunciations exist. Sorry, my voice is going. Kishon or Kishon. Both pronunciations are correct. How to pronounce Kishon or Kishon. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.